How to add a Lottie player to Wix. So in order to add it, we need to actually utilize the Lottie files. Go over to lottiefiles.com and you should be able to see this. So in here, you can see a lot of Lottie animation that you can actually use. So for example, for this case, you just need to head over and then sign up for an account first. Now into this part, click onto this create animation. And then this will open in here this workspace for the Lottie creator itself. So just wait for this to successfully load and you should be able to see it right here. You can just add in here some animation that they have. Like for example, let's choose in here a 404 or this loading option. Just click on this insert Lottie right here and it should be able to be added right here into your actual timeline. So you can see in here what that will look like and how it will interact into your site when you play for it. If you're done, click onto this export option and in here let's export it into our project. And then from in there, this should be able to be added into our actual animation part right there. Once it's in here onto this page, you can click onto these options that you can see right here. Just click onto the share and then you can see the share with anyone and in here we have the handoff and embed. So you can just click onto this handoff and embed option right here and make sure to enable in here the assets for that. You can see in here the asset link, so make sure to click onto this copy option that we can see right there. Now let's head back to our site and then just find in here any blank space that you want to add it. Click on this plus icon and then from in there, click on quick add, scroll down and then add or drag and drop iframe into the actual space that you want to put it. Now from in there, click on this enter code and enter in here the actual code and click on update. So it may take some time for this, so just wait for this. So that's how you add a Lottie player to Wix. Hope we helped.